As a county, we felt that there is a lot of effort by national government and other non-governmental players to support the sector. But money is not enough to support the sector. We needed to create an environment that would also put some of these things into focus and help us to tap this big area. And therefore, right now, especially because of this COVID, the area that can help us to get our economy on track is a small and medium enterprise. And I want to agree with our speaker and to the other teams that have spoken that this remains the surest way for us to get our economy back on track. And I also want to take this opportunity to announce that we've been in discussions with the national government, with the Ministry of Industrialization, with a view to coming up with a structure on how this sector can be supported. And these bills that we have come up with today offer that structured engagement where we can now have a fund that can sign an agreement with KCB, with Cooperative Bank, with Equity, Family Bank, and any other player to give specific funding for this sector. And when you look at the number of tourists we get every year against our potential, we get the impression we are only 20% of where we should be. And therefore, coming up with this tourism and marketing bill is meant to help us to position the county favorably. We are not responsible for what happens in the world. There will always be tragedies. There will always be outcomes that we don't like. But as it is, ours is to make the best of the situation.
The whole of Nakuru County, we have 1,500, by the close of last year, we have 1,541 restaurants, hotels, and bars. And all those pay what we call the tourism fund, they pay licenses. So it is a critical sector of the economy. And when you look at all those, they have employed between 33 and 35,000 staff members. Right now we are affected because of the COVID, but look at 33 to 35,000 staff members coming from all these families to work in this sector. It is a big leap. So what are the ways that we are looking at the way forward to revamp this industry, especially now after this COVID? Because we never know for how long we shall be with this in this situation. We are looking at the first thing as the rehabilitation of labor, how we can rehabilitate labor. All these 33,000 people are out there. We have closed almost 80% of our facilities. We are trying to reopen back, but what is the driving force? The driving force for reopening is business. If we continue speaking the good things about this industry, people will come back. Sector. If there is a way that we can help those people, because they are skilled people, we don't want them to change career. We don't want them to stay there and start doing other things. If there is a way we can rehabilitate them, then that would be good. The second thing is to market. How can we market this county? Your Excellency, I've traveled to several counties, and I can tell you we have the best county in terms of resources, in terms of attraction.